Hey friends, if you wish to prevent the Photos app from opening when connecting your phone to Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. And this is a very irritating thing. I mean, you just connected your phone to Windows and it opened the Photos app. It's showing all of your latest photos. This is not appropriate. So, right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Bluetooth and Devices tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Autoplay and turn this switch off. Use Autoplay for all media and devices. Okay, and this not only stops the Photos app. If you wanted like specific things, for example, specifically stopping the uh, window from popping up when you insert a USB, then take no action for USB for removable drive, and you can do the same thing for what do we say, the memory card. And if you wish to enable autoplay but remove it for your phone only, and if your data is in the memory card, then simply go to the second option and take no action should be the answer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.